Hello guys, we are again here and new shark swim to our house and we show you what we have.
Yahoo! Excited for what is
Yeah,
that?
excited.
My honey is ordering online and he will unbox us.
Unbox us. So, very good tape. But give me chance for open it.
Okay. Take your time. Da-da-da-da. Tan
It's
taran tan.
a
Shark!
shark.
Shark!
I
There
think
is a whale, just shark.
it's
Wow.
upside down, but don't worry.
Ah, new steamer! I know now.
What do you know?
Wow. Because our old steamer is already broken.
Already Bunny broke it.
Yeah, I broke it already. So we need new one.
Yeah.
Wow, we have new one. Thank you, Yupi Yupi.
And now we see what is inside. Uh,
Ah, that's a handle.
yeah. Handle and for water.
Mm.
And that's all here. Is my manual.
Okay.
Manual. Okay. Bunny are annoying me again because I put box so close. Okay, and now we have pots
Ah, pads.
looking like this,
Yeah,
like this.
it's a
And
cute.
we have four
4 pieces.
pieces. 4 pieces is included in the
Mm-hmm.
box. And now it's time for main dish. Wow.
Oh, wow.
Okay, we try open. Here.
Wow. Oh, we will use this pot for this here.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
this pot is here.
Okay.
It's
Ah,
only
very nice. Cute. Wow. Okay, we will show later how to use it.
yes. Okay, now we put handle. Okay, I show you how it looking from front side like this. And handle must be like this. Only simple click. And
Yeah.
it's complete. Yeah. Okay.
Have a
We
long wire cable.
prepare it for using it. Yeah, it's writing 8 meters. Very long wire.
8 meters wire. Wow, it's a nice.
Yeah,
Perfect.
yes.
So you can.
Put this second. Yeah. And put sharp toe down. But very cool.
And,
Okay, this is for water.
yeah.
I put water. Wait a second.
steam and scrub. Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
Oh, look at guys, the water is here.
Yeah.
Ah,
Okay.
there is
Cool.
something here, normal, in light, in mode.
Yeah.
Ah, there is a normal here and until
Normal it's for tiles, and light is for this laminate uh, floor.
okay.
Okay, now I
Now my honey press a mode.
light, and it's starting to do its something.
Oh wow.
And now it's coming.
Ah, it's automatic. You're not waiting for boiling. Oh, that's nice because before we need to wait for boiling before you can use it to the steaming on the floor. But this is wow. It's amazing. Always short is nice. We have also vacuum.
You see now it's going
Oh wow.
steaming.
Now it's starting steaming. Very recommended guys because this is very nice steamer. Look, you no need for waiting for boiling. You can use it fast. See how it goes. Okay, I will go here because my honey can scrub there. Wow, my honey is very comfortable for doing it. And light, I think. It's
No?
not heavy, it's a light.
Yeah, it's right. But it's, you must hold it because it's trying to move into.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! I just trying today also for our new streaming and scrub to our floor, and this is so amazing. And look at this. Very nice, cute, and easy to use, and light and fast. You only put some water and put in the electricity, and there is a mode here you can choose. And look at our floor. It's a very good. Wow. Very nice. And it's going dry. And this one is the floor is it's clean. It's
Clean and shiny.
clean and shiny. And light, of course. And there is a 8 meters long of wire. And you can use it even the socket of your electricity is for. You still can use it. And this is very light, so light. Ayan. And my honey is thank you so much because you purchased this and can help us. Unlike this other, our old steamer is very hard for using, and this one is easy. Very recommended. Thank you, Sharp. Thank you, Sharp, to your product because we are happy to purchase your product. This steamer and scrub. Oh.
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you.
But
You
only
can
not
relax.
eat us, shark.
Yeah. Yeah, look at this, guys. Okay na, my love.
Okay.
Ayan, that's all for our video today. Hope you are happy and learn that we have tips to you guys that this is very nice. Very nice short.
Easy for cleaning.
Yeah. Very nice this short steamer and scrub to our floor.
Okay.
Very recommended. Okay, I try to switch off now.
Yeah.
I'm using my feet. See, it's automatic to stop. Even you only step in your feet and stand it. So it's automatically stop. Ayan. And I'm happy. Now a little bit with our floor, but very clean. Ayan. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like our video to unbox our new shark steamer and scrub. And very amazing. This kind of cleaner. I mean, air cleaner. Ayan. You can also order this, guys. My honey ordered it from Amazon. Yeah, order from Amazon and very recommended. Thank you! And don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, the Honeyko and Bunnyko.
Bananas! Yuppie!
Thank you and God bless. Ayun our other unboxing and vlogs. Bye-bye. God bless.
Bye-bye!